This question is taken from the ENGAA 2020 Section 2 paper, and it is question 3. So we read, a ray of light strikes the centre of XY at the critical angle, drawn here. The length of XY is L, the speed of light in air equals c. The time taken for the light to travel from P to Q is what? So in order to get the time from P to Q, well, we need to know the distance, which would be L over 2 and L over 2, that's L, and then divide that by the speed of light in the block. Because T equals L over C block. So how could we find C block? What information or what type of question is this that could help us deduce what C block is? Well, this is typically a Snell's law type question, and we know that it hits at the critical angle between the block and air. So we can use sine 60 over C block, using that angle to the normal, equals sine 90, which is 1, because at the critical angle, this is what the angle would be, 90 degrees, divided by C, the speed in air. So we don't actually just want C block, but an easier way to rearrange this would just be to get 1 over C block and multiply that by L. So if we rearrange this, we get 1 over C block is just 2 over C root 3, as sine 60 is square root of 3 over 2, so we've just rearranged this. So if we multiply this by the time, then we get T equals 2L over C square root 3. So a useful trick in these questions that saves a bit of time, but time is of the essence in these types of exams, is when you have something divided by another thing, it's sometimes easier to just get the 1 over, rather than having to get C block and then flip it back into 1 over C block. So that's 2 steps that are unnecessary when we could have just done it in 1. So the total time taken is 2L divided by C root 3.